Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Math Motion channel. And today actually marks our day 11 of our journey actually. So thank you for keeping up, and we're going past day 10 now. So congratulations to me. thank you. But yeah, so today is gonna be a little bit different day actually. I will be showing how I make a trade on the funded account. And so first of all, I bought the step 1 account, funded account of 10k, and I will be showing you when I'm making a trades and everything on that. And what I want to show is which one is better to take. Like, it's better to take, there's two accounts you can take. There's a step 1 account and step 2 accounts. So I took the step 1 first account, and we're gonna do versus step 2 accounts, but it's gonna be over a long period. So when I lose the step 1 account, I'll be going on step 2 account and be explaining why it's that good. So step 1 account is actually, there was a big difference. So on the step 2 account, you actually have a higher like a higher max limit you can lose. So on the step 1, I can only lose 6%, and on the step 2, I can lose 8%. So like I can be making like lots of oh yeah, and also the leverage on the step 1 account is 1 to 30, and the leverage on a step 2 account is 1 to 100. So that's why it's also like a benefit of having a step 2. It's safer, it's better, and you can have a higher leverage. So yeah, so let's get into the video. I don't want to keep this too much. So today we also have a recap that's going to be happening of yesterday's day 10s. Check that video out. I will let you know beforehand, we won that trade. We did it perfectly, well, kind of perfectly, I would say, but yeah. So yeah, let's get into the video straight away. So today's news are pretty bad. So that's why I'm gonna be making, like I said in day 10 video, I will be making a London session trade before I go to my university. And yeah, so President Trump speaks, leave that. So you don't mind that, go minimize the Chrome, and then here we are. Let's go to 5 minutes. So as you can see, we actually hit our stuff. Like, we entered somewhere here, and we can see like a retracement. Yeah, we entered here. So I think so, actually. I'm really sure now. No, we entered there. Yeah, so we entered on that break of structure right there, like somewhere. And we can see a retracement happening. We almost got stopped out, but it just filled the orders of this, and then it just went back up. So yeah, so what we can see is that I waited for everything to hit. So we see like there actually a inverse fair value gap just opened over there, and there was a break of structure. So the market like showed, after this like break of structure, market showed 2 more confluences that it going back up. So we go to 1 minute. What we want to see is that my order block and breaker blocks actually got hit, which shows me 2 more confluences. So we actually had 5 confluences of the market going up, and we can see the market as we entered here, there was a retracement. So like it was filling the orders of over here. It maybe wasn't enough here, so it filled more orders here, and then it's going back up straight away, huge way up, have a huge power to go, showing in to go uptrend. And here we go, 120, easy as that, perfect. So today we're gonna be a little bit different. I will be making that, analyzing the market, and I will be showing you how I make that trade on my fresh new funded account. So yeah, and let's see how much money we can make. So I will be letting you know like when I'm trading. So yeah, Let's remove all that. Gone. Gone. So now we're getting back into the business. So today we have a volatile market pretty much because it's a London session. It's getting to the New York session, and we can see the news weren't that good as well, like Trump speaks and everything like that. So we want to go to first hour, as you remember. The strategy is to mark all when this Asian session opens, when the... Oh no, wait, that's the wrong one. When the Asian session opens, when the London session opens, and we can see the market is already showing us actually that it's continuing uptrend. We can mark those. We'll mark those. Okay, so we mark that as well. The low of that, another high over here. We can see it show the, well, it still haven't, but yeah, as soon as it's gonna be showing a break of structure on 1 hourly. That's what you want to wait for, but it's 12 minutes away, so that's, but yeah, so we go to 5 minutes. You all know what we're looking for. Inverse fair value gaps. That's what we're looking for. Inverse fair value gaps. We got inverse fair value gap over here. That got filled. We got, that's nothing actually. We got another inverse fair value. No, that's not inverse fair value gap. We have anything? I don't see anything much though. We can see a fair value gap actually happen over here. It filled that orders, retraced over that, and it keep rising. Okay. So we see there was a inverse fair value gap over there. A fresh, it never broke structure downside, but break structure to the upside. We want to go to 1 minute. We're not gonna be making a trade on a high like that. We're just gonna be checking out everything we can. Okay, so we have that. Like we can see that retracement over there. What else we want to see is just I mark all the liquidity spots on 1 hour. Like there. There. Okay. So after that, we are gonna be, so break of structure actually happened over here. A order block. Because we want to mark everything that's behind that, so I'm thinking right now. Okay, breaker block, order block, breaker block. We can see it entered there, retracement over that. Hit the equilibrium perfectly, and it just went on a rise. Holy cow. Okay, so now we can see that it hit all the highs of Asian session. So pretty much what that shows us is there could be a retracement downward, and that's what we're gonna be waiting for. You guys want to be waiting for a little bit. Yeah, but that's, can't say nothing. That's like, look at that rise. Like, how much was it, like per, since August 20 to here? 45,000. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot. Like gold is on a rise right now. Okay, that's good. So what we're waiting for is at least like 1 hourly candle close on the London session, and then we're gonna be marking actually 1 PM over here. So what we're gonna do end up is doing is like we will wait for that candle to close, and then what we want to do is look for that trade over there. Gonna be hard because we can see that all the highs got hit. But same here. Like we can see like it open over here. One on rise, one down. When they that open, like New York session open, it went on rise. Again, 8 until 8 here. We see a retracement there. It just kept rising, never stopped. That's amazing. But so in the news today, actually not too bad. So also, if you guys want to know where where I'm getting my funded account is from Alpha Group UK. You guys can also use that. They giving a 10k accounts for $40. So pretty much it's just you have to use the code. So if you guys sign up, they actually do give a lot of discounts, and you will be able to buy an account. But yeah, so also if you guys want some discount, use the code TGR in the Alpha Group, and then you will be able to get some discount on the account if you're buying funded account. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna have here. Six more minutes and then we're gonna be good. We're gonna be testing out what do we have here, but I actually want to see here. Yeah, but I think it's gonna go retrace starting now. And I'm not lying, I think it will. It hit all those. I think it's gonna go down somewhere here and then retrace. Can't be sure because I have to wait for this first. You don't want to be entering a market when the market is really on a rise and then you don't have anywhere to make your stop loss. So if you do that, you're pretty much, if the market goes down like to retrace, you're pretty much took a A-grade loss. Like trade. Yeah. Not really worth that. So yeah. What do we have? Market is not showing us anything for at the moment, but that's fine. You're fine with that as well. Sorry. We tried to go down, didn't work. Going back. You see, it can't go either up or down, so didn't want to. So maybe now it's gonna be end up trying to fill the orders. So we can see like you're on a huge rise. Break of structure happened over there for sure. Like 1 minute break of structure. Oh, 1 hourly break of structure. 4 hours. What 4 hours shows? Up, break of structure to the downside. It never broke structure here. Never. If it breaks structure here, it shows the market is gonna go up. One confluence there in two minutes. Okay, because we have one confluence over there, we might be entering the market. Okay, lot size calculator. Just doesn't matter. We're going for XAUSD. $2.5. So we want to be setting up 400. Yeah, 400 pips. That's perfect. I'm just checking out. Let's go back to that. And the market is soon gonna be forming that candle, huge candle over there. After that break of structure, we have one confluence that the market is going up. Then we might have okay, what the market's gonna do. It's not showing any strong positions over here. So to form down actually candle or from doji. So yeah, 1 hour, that perfect. 5 minutes, not really showing anything, not gonna lie. 1 minute, scale down to 1 minute. So if the 5 minutes is gonna break structure over here, 1 minute, maybe there's a retracement somewhere. The market's consolidating, so if break structure here, I think we're good to go to the market actually. It's really hard to get into that trade. I'm gonna wait. I see a break of structure. We have two confluences. The market's gonna 1 hourly and 1 minute only. So, and like there's still an uptrend. So yeah, I might catch like a glimpse of it. But like there isn't any way that I can. I'm gonna wait for more 5 minutes. That will be giving me 3 confluences of break of structure happening. Sorry for taking so long to take that trade. Like I told you, unfunded accounts, you wanna be taking a trade that's gonna be an A grade. So pretty much an A grade is like the best perfect trade. To win that, you always win those trades, and you don't want to be taking losses, you know. So that's the point. That's the point. Well. What's happening here? Okay. The London session always kind of like makes downward trend. Okay, that's a uptrend, and then yeah, interesting. But yeah, let's go 5 minutes. Come on, come on. Are you going up, market? If you're going up, I will be placing my trade over there, making my exit over here, like somewhere. Be entering somewhere here. Also, to unlock your funded account, you have to reach a certain point of profit. So for 10k account, it's 10%. So one step. It was one step. So I have to reach 10%. But that means I have to reach 1,000 of profit on that account, and we will see how that will go. I'm just waiting for that order block. Breakup structure here. That. Okay, now we're gonna be using this as an entry point to, we're gonna be taking that stop level over there. Okay, maybe hitting over here, the stop loss. And then we're gonna be buying could be retracing. Now we're gonna be waiting because we see some, actually it might not be. Market, what are you gonna do now? We're not gonna be entering a trade. If we don't make a trade today, I'm sorry guys, but it just happened. Because the market is really unsure where it's gonna go, and like I reached pretty high, so I don't know where it could be keep going up. Well, if it does break structure over there, we're going in. Okay. We're entering. We're entering a trade. The breaker structure and inverse fair value gap happen. Just keeps going back up. So you will be in that trade take profit just one, because we're gonna want to do it 1-to-1 pretty much. I'll actually make that 200, but we set up our take profit. Gonna sell half of that. Gonna end up taking a little bit profit, not too much loss. You don't wanna do maximizing. So yeah, that's the trade for today, and thank you for watching, everyone. And hopefully you enjoyed the video of me showing up how I trade on funded accounts. I will be making a trade recap tomorrow of this trade, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that like button if you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, so you wouldn't miss out on my trade recaps or live day trade, like whatever you guys like on my content. So, and thank you for watching, and peace out, and see you tomorrow.